Hi channel members, welcome back to Diamond Paints with Mike. Apologies there was no video yesterday, it was quite hectic, so you've got it today instead. And I have been at the range again. Yes, today I found this lovely Crafty Club Flamingo. It's the month of love, and of course they're trying to bring out some Valentine's ones. I've always wanted a flamingo and I could never find one. Now I think this is the first 20x20 that has been brought out by that Crafty Club up there. $2.99, so let's get into it. And apparently there's over 2,916 crystals in this. It looks like sort of like a beach effect, doesn't it? These look like little beach balls, but again your standard norm wax square diamond painting stylus, 1 gem base, 12 colour gem bags, and a wall hanging kit. So let's get into the unboxing of this and see what we've got inside this glorious pack. Yeah, I don't know if you've noticed, but I seem to shop with more of the range now than I do with Temu, because you just can't stop shopping with the range. But inside here, oh yeah, these I'm a Celebrity, get me out of here, Angela. They're in colours, but let's get into here. Absolutely gorgeous. And yeah, I've got something to show you, Angela, while I'm on here, just bear with me. So you know that crab cushion that I got? Well, I just had to get the crab photo to go with it. So this ain't diamond paint, it's like something you put on your shelf, but I was like, oh my god, I'm having that. So yeah, let's get into here. So not only have I got the crab cushion, I've also got the crab photo. I love crabs, don't know why, but I just do. But inside here we have ourselves shitloads of bags, and the standard brackets and stuff, and then we got our drills. But let's take a look at this first. It feels like really small, but look at that. Oh yes, look how bright that is. Wow, that is really bright. This is gorgeous. It's really pastel vibe, isn't it? Nice, sort of like, it's like she's playing on the beach somehow. You know, she's just standing there giving her foot a rest. You know, you've got the two cactuses here, nice sunny day with the sun there, and they've incorporated some clouds, and you got these lovely round cactuses. Don't know about you, but I've never seen a round cactus. Normally they come like this. So, but apparently, word has it that apparently in the night, I don't know if it's the day or night, but in the night they open their flowers, and then when it's daylight they suck them back in again. Something I heard anyway on a documentary with David Attenborough. So yeah, sticks are lovely. Oh, I don't know why they wrap it. Look, this is so much waste, and then they staple it on the edge. Like, why do that? Because then you've got to fight with it to get it off. It's so much excess. They should not do that. But anyway, that's that. And then we'll get into now in here we have ourselves bright pinks. Oh, look at these pastel kinds. This is gorgeous. A sort of minty green, very beautiful green there. Peachy colour. I think that's looks like a whitey pink there. Yellow, lime green, sort of lime green, dark green, black, and yellow. So yes, this is absolutely fabulous. Can't wait to get in touch with that. Get you know, done with that. But if you do want it, Angela, it's $2.99 from the range, and be quick because they do sell off pretty quick. So you need to be quick with this. But it's just lovely, isn't it? Absolutely gorgeous. But yeah. Anyway, thank you for watching. Please remember to like, share, subscribe, and I will see you channel members next Tuesday. Bye bye.